Namaste viewers, welcome to my channel SirMathematics tutorial. Today we are going to present three types of verbal and reasoning questions. In the first verbal and reasoning questions, here written this word RAMESH is coded as AEHMRS. Now the question is that what is the coded word of POET means poet. To explain these questions, I have written already the alphabets, English alphabet in dictionary order. In dictionary order means it is written as A, B, C, D, E, F like that. Up to Z it is. Now, here you see that A, E, H is the alphabets are given in this way. A, E, H, M, R, S. We observe the order of the alphabets. A is the first alphabet. Everybody we know. In English alphabet, A is the first alphabet. Here, A is the first alphabet which is contained here. And then it is here E. E is the alphabet which is contained in this word. And in alphabetical order, A, E here. Then H is here. H means is the which is contained here. After E, if we see in the order, H alphabet we are getting. F and Z is not here. So F and Z will be not here. Then M is the alphabet here also. M is the alphabet is here. The same alphabet is contained in this coded word. So after H, then it is M alphabet is coming. It means that it follows the dictionary order. The alphabet which is contained here, the dictionary order is maintaining here. So the word POET, the word is not in alphabetical order. It is not in alphabetical order. So if we bring in alphabetical order, so we will get E is the first alphabet. E is the in alphabetical E. Here also E. Here also E. Means what will come? We can't say that now. E. Then we know that after E, if you see in the dictionary order, then we are getting that O alphabet. O alphabet. Now you see here other alphabets is not here. After O it is P. E, O, P, and definitely T alphabet is here. E, O, P, T. So the option D is correct. So you see here maintaining the alphabetical order of dictionary order it is maintaining and nothing any other alphabets here. So please you try to learn these questions. Yes, viewers, you come to the next question. Here the word HARJIT, it is coded as IZSIZS. And what is the coded word of MONISH? What is the coded word? Now H, here you see I, and A, after A it is Z. Here total alphabet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing else there. If it is there 6 alphabet, here also 6 alphabet. And if it is there how many alphabet? Here also 6 alphabet. So it should be 6 alphabet containing. That is also one more important point. Now H it is I, A Z, then R S. So you see here something is here. What is pattern? H I, that is plus 1, A then Z. Here A, if you go to the clockwise direction, I give here clockwise direction, A then Z, it is minus 1. Then R S, that means here R S means plus 1. Here again Z in place of I, corresponding alphabet is I here. Z, then again going back means one alphabet, first alphabet, H is first alphabet is plus 1 here, and then A to the corresponding alphabet is Z, that is minus 1. So M alphabet, what is the corresponding alphabet? M plus 1 alphabet. What is the plus 1 alphabet is N, plus 1 alphabet is N. Then O minus 1 alphabet is N. O minus 1 alphabet is also N. N alphabet plus 1 alphabet. N plus 1 alphabet is N. Plus 1 alphabet is O. And corresponding plus 1 alphabet is O. I is here. It is minus alphabet. I minus 1. It is alphabet is we are getting H. I alphabet is H, and then S here, S plus one alphabet is T, S plus one H minus one alphabet is H minus one alphabet, M minus one alphabet is here, H minus one alphabet is Z. So what is the coded word is of MONISH? The coded word is NNOHTZ. NNOHTZ. Yes? Yes. You come to the next question, the verbal question of verbal and reasoning question. In the last question of verbal and reasoning questions, here given here BHIM is equal to 36, and so what is the number it will carry by the word MONISH, monish? So here the beam is that carried by 36, MONISH, what it will be carry. Now if we see here, the B is the alphabet, B alphabet it carries number 2, H is the alphabet, I'm giving the number here, you see, and actually you should keep remember H corresponding number is 8 alphabet is H, then I alphabet is the 9th alphabet, and M is the corresponding alphabet is 13, M corresponding alphabet is 13. Now if we add them these numbers, what we will get it, 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 13, we get it here 10, 19 plus that is 13 will be 32, and but the number is 36 here, so we are getting added 4 here to get 36. 4 what do it, that means here in the alphabet BHIM here 4 alphabets, so we are adding here plus 4 is 36. Now we find it out what is the number for the word MONISH. MONISH, this word monish, what is the M it carries 13, M it carries 13, O it carries 15, and N is it carries 14, and it carries 14, I it carries 9, and S it carries 19, and H is carried it 19 also. H it is carries 8 alphabet, 8, sorry, that one is, so it will be 8, 12 plus 9, 21 plus 9, 30, 38, it remaining 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 78, and how many alphabets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 78 plus 6 is equal to 84. So this word manish, it carries the number 84. So in this way, this is the pattern we can learn. That today we learned 3 types of verbal and reasoning questions, and these are also called coded and decoded questions. So please you subscribe these channels and you will get it more different type of conditional reasoning and logical and reasoning questions and verbal and reasoning questions. Thank you.